Python check output find command not working. I'm trying to find the path to a file named config.txt from a USB flash drive plugged into a Raspberry Pi. The physical drive that is used may not always be the same, so the path may not always be the same. So I use to locate the path in the terminal and works just fine. Now I go to use check_output and get a giant string of paths. I set the shell as true to allow wildcards, according to this URL. Results for out are and it continues to go on for a while. I tried looking at several other similar questions including the link below, but no luck. Store output of subprocess.pop and call in a string.
You would need to pass a single string exactly as you would from your shell if you want to use a wildcard. You don't actually need subprocess at all. Glob will do what you want.
Since you are using the shell equals true, you can use the following. Try to avoid use of wildcards if possible, and just change your current working directory before searching for your target file.
Informando sempre la segunda